on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Currently I am on my way to AutoZone or Ace Hardware to pick up some tools to install a new part onto my car today. Sadly, it is not that same part that I was talking about. That is still yet has to be shipped. Hasn't been shipped yet. In the meantime, I have some other parts to install. So yeah, right now I'm headed to AutoZone to buy some drill bits, or Ace Hardware if AutoZone doesn't have it. That might be a little hint of what I'm going to be installing in this video. Okay, so obviously I made it back home now. I already put the car up on jack stands, as you can see. You might be wondering, what is it that I have to install today? Finally bought some side skirts to throw on the car. They are from StreetAero. A little envelope they gave. It's nothing too fancy, it's not carbon or anything, so it wasn't super expensive. And the thing that I had to go buy was some drill bits, because I actually don't have any, and you do have to drill your own holes into the side skirt as well as into your car. But I think you might be able to just drill the screws directly into the bottom part. But we'll figure that out when the time comes. I was just trying to test fit this splitter on there, and then I realized the back piece actually hits this little mud flap thing. So you don't want to take this out, otherwise it just gets in the way. So I'm gonna have to remove that on both sides. Alright, I got the stupid mud flap out. There was 4 pop clips I need to take out. It's kind of hard to show you where they were, but there was one right here, one inside here, one towards the bottom, and then there's actually one behind the fender liner inside here, which was kind of hard to get to. Gotta do what you gotta do. So look at all this crap that fell out of it. I guess it works, catches all the mud and dirt. See, I have the side skirts kind of placed, or the side skirt placed where, you know, it would fit and looks good. I just have it taped up right now. But this is basically what it's going to look like on the car. It's nothing too crazy, it doesn't stick out that much, just a little bit in the front and the rears, and towards the middle kind of curves in. So when getting in and out of the car, you shouldn't be stepping on it too much. The fit looks great. It lines up from the front edge right here all the way to the back perfectly. So it's actually really good. Got a mark for each spot I'm going to drill along the side skirt. I believe in total there should be 8 screws on each side. So 16 screws in total, including the passenger side as well. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and drill into each spot and then drill it onto the car. Okay, so my drill battery actually isn't charged, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. On the other side square, I'm gonna go ahead and mark every little spot that I need to drill, and I'm also gonna go ahead and just start removing the mud flap on the passenger side. I finally got the drill all charged up and the other side skirt completely marked where I need to drill, as well as removing the mud flap on the other side. Started on drilling on these. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Alright, so as you saw, I drilled all the screws in to the car. This is what it's gonna look like right here. I think the back does stick out kind of a lot if you're looking like right here, but then if you're looking at it from like this point to the body line, it kind of sticks out too, so it kind of matches with it through there. And honestly, I think it looks so good. I should make a back profile. Got the passenger side skirts on. Honestly, this leg was a lot easier. With side skirts, most of it is just prep work. So once you get like the holes drilled into the side skirts, all you do is just drill them into the car. Depending on what side skirts you get. These are just screws that go into the car. So they're not like nuts and bolts. Obviously that would be more secure. So maybe later in the future, I might swap them out. With 8 down on each side, that should be able to just hold it, you know. It shouldn't be able to fall out that easily. You can't like stand on it or anything, but like it's on there. Obviously doing the dad test, that obviously means it's never falling off. But I'm gonna go ahead and just put the car down, and then we'll do a walk around on what it looks like on both sides. As you saw, got the car back on the ground. This is what the side skirts are gonna look like. I also actually have a front splitter coming in as well. Just waiting on that, so hopefully that'll complete the look. Because right now, it does, not gonna lie, it's just a little odd with just that sides. But once I get the front, it should finish up the look, and then I might possibly get some rear spats right here as well, but we'll see about that first. Alright, so that's gonna be pretty much it for the install of the side skirts for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed me doing a little more of an install video versus a vlog type video. I know I've been doing a couple of those for the past couple videos. Before I do end the video, I do want to mention that I did get my car finally ceramic coated, which I'm super excited about. And it's super easy to clean now. All I really need to do is just spray it down, and I can obviously soap it if I wanted to. But I did want to just kind of show a little of how the ceramic coating works with water. So here we are in like the rear quarter panel of the car. I'm literally just gonna pour water on top. Like literally doesn't stick to the car, it falls right off. That's gonna conclude it for this video. Let me know what you think of the side skirts, and stay tuned for more installs. I still do have that special thing. This was not that special thing I was talking about, but yeah, we'll see whenever it comes in, or maybe the front splitter will come in first, or front lip, whatever. We'll see. But hope you enjoyed. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe.